Today, we review the best slow-motion camera that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1. Sony RX100 V. A step up from the action cam class will be your point-and-shoot options like the Sony RX100 V. RX100 V is still a lightweight pocket-sized option that packs some serious slow-motion punch. But it's important to know that the image is scaled up from 480p to the higher resolution above to reach the frame per second rate. If you are able to live with fewer frames per second, you can scale up 720p up to 4. Number 2. Sony RX10 III. Another slow-mo friendly action cam that won't break the bank is the Sony PowerShot RX100 III. It offers 120 fps video recording in Full HD and internal UHD 4K at 30 fps to boot. Designed for all manner of action shots, from drones to motorbikes to stationary tripods, with its image stabilization technology, you can get fantastic slow-motion footage in any situation. Also, Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to connect this camera. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix DMCFZ1000 4K. Panasonic offers the Lumix DMCFZ1000, which is an exceptional digital camera that can even capture 4K quality. There's a 20.1 MP sensor, as well as a bright DC lens for capturing pictures in lower light. This camera also comes with Wi-Fi connectivity, and this model features 16x optical zoom. If you're in the market for a mid-priced camera that offers some of the high-quality video that even the top slow-motion cameras can produce, this is a good option for you. Number 4. GoPro Hero 5 Black. Arguably the best-known name in sports video, the GoPro is a nifty little action camera that can be mounted to anything for wicked cool video. One of the smallest high-power cameras you will ever see, the GoPro Hero 5 Black, is only 1.5x 1.5x 1.4 inches. This is also the most affordable camera on the list. This camera can capture 2.7K of up to 60 fps and 1080p up to 120 fps. This GoPro is waterproof and very durable, even without a case. The touch. Number 5. Canon PowerShot G16. One of the most cost-effective cameras on this list, the Canon PowerShot G16, is a point-and-shoot camera similar to the Sony above, but has different features. Less megapixels than the others on this list at only 12, this camera does feature Full HD and Wi-Fi capabilities. The built-in lens has 5x optical zoom and a lovely 240 fps for video, slow motion or not. Full HD mode is 1080p, which is considered true high definition. The camera's build is robust and durable.